Hi everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the complete roadmap for the GenAI development. In this video, it doesn't matter whether you are starting fresh or you want to upskill yourself towards the AI or the GenAI development. This guide will be really helpful for you. I divided this roadmap into the four phases. Let's start with the phase one. In the phase one, you will understand the basic of AI, ML, and the what is GenAI. What you will learn in the phase one, like what is artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning, and what is generative AI, how it generates the text, images, and the audio generation, how it actually works, and you will learn about the types of Gen AI, like LLMs. You already know Chat GPT, Gemini. These are the LLMs, and that you will learn also about the diffusion models like DALI E Mid Journey and common GenAI application. You will get familiar with chatbots like chatbot summarization, image creator, etc. The resources which you can follow, like if you are considering YouTube, you can just search the what is the generate AI. This is the video is very well explained from the Google developer on the Simply Learn. And if you want to learn the articles, you can just use the OpenAI blog for that. Optionally, you can take the course on the Coursera also. After the phase one, you have the strong foundation. Then in the phase two, you will you will get more comfortable with the Python and the tools which is used in the generative AI development. This In this phase, you will enter to the more technical part. Here you will learn about the Python basics like functions, classes, API, and file handling, and you will learn about the JSON's REST API for working with AI models. And in this, you will use the Jupyter Notebook. You can use whatever you want. If you want to you want to use the Jupyter Notebook, you can use. If you want to use the Google Colab, you can use. It totally depends upon you, and you will learn the basics of the Git and GitHub tools which you are going to use in this phase 2. It's Python or VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, and Google Colab. It totally depends on which I already told, and the resources which you can follow for that, which is Python crash course from the Free Code Camp, and the Postman which you will use for the API checking for the AI models. And after the phase 2, let's go to the phase 3. In the phase 3, now comes to the exciting part where you are actually getting your hands dirty with the real Gen AI tools. In this phase, you will start experimenting with a pre-trained model, fine-tuning them, and even building your own mini AI application. Trust me, this is where you will feel the magic of Gen AI. Here you will learn the core concept like how the craft input and that guide the model to give accurate, creative, and structured responses in the prompt engineering concepts, and how you use the Python to interact with the LLM models through the API, and you will understand how to control the randomness and the output size from the model, and you will also understand how to structure model output for the use in the apps. Examples like JSON and Markdown outputs. And for the hands-on practice, you will build the mini project like chatbot. You can build the text summarizer. You can build the AI generator. Tools which you are going to use in this phase is Open AI API and the Hugging Face Transformer and the Python plus Fast API. Which who don't know about the Fast API, it's a Python web framework which is used for the web development, and you use the Google Graph or Jupyter Notebook. It depends upon the person to person. After the phase 3, in the phase 4, you shift your learning to the building the real world applications. In this phase, where you will prove your skills, and trust me, in this phase you will build and deploy the projects which will boost your confidence into 10x. Plus, having a portfolio which will make you stand out when you are going to apply for the jobs or the internship. In this phase, the core concept which you will learn that like LangChain. LangChain is used is a Python framework which is used for the Gen apps, and you will learn about the RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation, which is the method for the extracting the data from the your sources, and you will learn more about the vector storage, prompt template, and chains in the memory. And for the hands-on practice, you can build the projects like chat with a PDF, AI search engine, resume analyzer, and summarize Notion and Docs. Tools which you will use is LangChain, ChromeDB, and Pinocon. And from the front-end development, you can use the Streamline, Gradio. If you want to use the any like other framework like React, you can also use. And the Python library which you are going to use in this phase for the project development, which it's LangChain, OpenAI, TikTok, ChromeDB, PDF Plumber, and etc. etc. In the fourth, if I consider the phase four, here you will not only ask a question like suppose if I'm giving the example like who is Einstein, whether you are not going to directly ask the question, you will give the docs about the Einstein, and you can ask about the question like just explain about the theory of relativity, because the what LLM will do, it will extract the every data from the sources whatever you provided, and based upon that the LLM will give the response. And at the end, in the bonus, if you want to just explore the further thing, you can just use the agents in the land chain to which LLM makes your decision API call handling and the region step by step. And you can add tools like Wolfram Alpha and the Saffron API for the web browsing and calculation.